welcome back to my channel. My name is Manu Chrisella, and today I'll be talking about random things and showing you different clips of what's been going on with me. It's been 1 month now that I've been in Canada. Oh my god, how time flies. So today we'll just go into right into Today we're experiencing bad weather. It's raining and snowing at the same time. So you know how it rains, there's water everywhere, and the snow just comes and freezes the water. So the ground is so slippery, so dangerous to go out at this time, because it's not just the rain. Now you are bothered about the snow. You can easily fall down, you can hurt yourself. So schools are closed, everyone is indoors, hoping it gets better. I want to say a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Tap on the red subscribe button, join the family, let's discuss, let's talk. So today I'll be discussing random things that has happened to me, or rather things that I've experienced the hard way here in Canada. So without wasting more time, let's get into the gist. Like I said earlier, we're experiencing bad weather today. Schools were cancelled because of the weather. Currently we're experiencing lots of icy rain. So it's snowing and raining at the same time. So today is Friday. Thank God it's Friday. So everyone had to be at home relaxing. So I decided, okay, it's a good day to do a video. All right, now I'm going to be talking about my experience with laundry, my experience with a trash day, my experience with the bus system. I'm also going to talk about my experience with my skin. So just relax. So for my experience with laundry, I learned this the very hard way. Oh my god, it was not funny, and I'm still upset, but it is what it is. So coming from Nigeria, where we don't take into consideration the type of fabric we put in the washer and dryer, I went to when I came, I went to Valley Village to get some thick cardigans that I could wear to school. So I got like 4 of them. They're very pretty, and there was one particular one that was so pretty. It was from Banana Republic. I really liked it, and so I put everything in the washer. After washing them, I put them in the dryer. So when they were all dried, I brought out my cardigans, and to my greatest surprise, my favorite had shrunk. Like, it was so tiny, like a cardigan for a 5-year-old. I couldn't believe my eyes. I was in shock. I was like, oh my god, what just happened? This was my favorite Banana Republic cardigan. So annoying. So I was like, oh my god, but I wore this thing now. Why, what happened? So I had to look through the label of the dress, of the cardigan, and it says do not put in the dryer. It's supposed to be cold wash and just hung, so it dries naturally without being in the dryer. I was so mad, but it is what it is. So now when I buy outfits, I definitely go first of all to the label to check the kind of material it's made of. So this cannot repeat itself. No, 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 no. Okay, that's gone. So another thing I'm going to talk about is trash day. Yes, like I said here, their trash system is very organized. So you have the recyclables, you have the compost, and you have the non-recyclables. So the way it goes is you have to bring your trash. Everybody brings out their trash on a particular day. You know that they're going to come up to your street on a particular day. So if you forget to bring it out, when the people picking up the recyclables come and they don't see yours, they pass and pick every other person's own. On their way coming, the way they do it is they pick from this side of the road, then pick from the other side of the road. So normally when you're supposed to be on the side of the road where your house is. So if they pass your house and yours is not done, it's not there rather, and they are coming back to pick the other side of the road on their way out of your street, even if you decide to go and bring your own and put it in front of your house, that is on the opposite side. And so another thing I would say I learned the hard way are marketing gimmicks. Yes, so you go to the store and you want to get something and you don't look at the label very well. Sometimes you see, like, let me give an instance. Okay, I started breaking out when I came here. I think change of weather, change of water or something. I started breaking out, so I decided to go to the store to get myself some skincare products. So getting to the store, I saw like nail polish. I was like, oh my god, nail polish. I saw what caught my attention was $1. So I didn't pay attention to the make of the polish. I didn't pay attention to, I just saw $1 and it was like, okay, $1. I can do $1 now. That's not a big deal. So I picked it. I bought some other things I needed to buy. So when I went to the cashier, they rang up everything I needed, I bought, and when I got the price, I was like, only for these 4 items, why is this so expensive? So it didn't really occur to me, and I was on my way home. I checked my receipt and I was like, okay, what exactly did I buy? I looked at it. I got my vitamin C serum for my face. I got nail polish remover, nail polish, and a facial scrub only. And the price was outrageous. So when I checked the receipt, I saw that my nail polish that I saw $1 was actually save $1. And the original price of my nail polish was like $12 something, and I eventually paid $11 something because I saved $1. And I was like, oh my god, did I just spend $12, rather $11 on nail polish? I was so pained. So when I got home, I checked the nail polish. Oh, it's Sally Hansen. Oh, Sally Hansen. Who told you I needed a Sally Hansen at this time? I don't want a Sally Hansen. But it is what it is. I made sure that I painted my nails that night. Can you see? It's so pretty though. I like it. Oh my god, I learned that the hard way. So when I go to the stores now, I'll make sure I take note. I'm very detailed. I need to be very detailed. So I will take note of everything written on the product, so next time I don't make a mistake that I'll regret. So the school system here in Canada is very what's the word, engaging. Yes, because you really don't have much time on your hand to do other things apart from studying. So you have class today, after lectures, in another two days you're having a quiz on what you've learned. So they keep you on your toes. You need to read, you need to understand. And the good thing, one of the things I actually like here is the fact that they teach you real life things, situations, things that you could use in the real world. So it's more like a practical of the real world, which is very, very interesting, and it's something I really enjoy. So I remember going to school last week. It was so sunny, yet so cold. And I'm wondering, how possible is this? It's so sunny, yet so cold. It's so cold that you can't even walk without wearing your gloves. Oh my God, it was crazy, and it just tells me that Canadian weather cannot be predictable. So you just have to be prepared at all times. All those who reached out to me to say thank you, I found your video, it was very informative, very helpful. You're the reason I started this channel. I remember coming to Sydney in December. I searched for lots of videos on YouTube to get information about Sydney, but I noticed that there were very few. So I decided when I get here, I will start up a channel to give others information on what's going on here in Sydney. So if you have any questions, you should please drop it in the comment section below, and I will definitely get back to you. So thank you guys for watching my videos. That's all for today. Until next week, I'll see you guys. Bye.